Albert Grande here from pizzatherapy.com. The Daily Meal recently posted their 101 best pizzas in America. I always get excited to see who made the cut, who's new on the list, and who got edged out. Now don't get me wrong, I love anything that celebrates pizza. Most lists, however, lack a certain amount of credibility. The 101 best pizzas in America in the past always had authenticity and credibility. Past years saw nominations come from, and I quote, a blue-chip, geographically diverse list of pizza panelists, chefs, restaurant critics, bloggers, writers, and other pizza authorities, asking them to vote only for places where they've actually eaten, end quote. This year, however, was a total 180-degree assessment and complete turnaround on the credibility of the list. Instead of polling the pizza elite, they used an inferior method of listing. Let me tell you a story. I was working as a social worker and had to testify in court as to the progress of one of my clients. "How was this young man doing?" the judge asked me. "He's doing fine, Your Honor," I exclaimed. After my testimony, a school counselor got up and explained the young man was frequently absent from school, had involved in a number of fights, had numerous curfew violations, and was failing all of his classes. The judge called me back to the bench and chastised me by saying, "Mr. Grande, you have lost all credibility with this court." So while I certainly respect all pizzerias on the list, I'm certain they are worthy of a taste, but the 101 best pizza list has lost a certain amount of credibility in the court of pizza, or as I like to say, the pizza court. Now, that's my rant. Let's look at some raves. There were many well-deserving pizzerias that I liked. Most of all, I liked the fact that signature pies for each pizzeria was highlighted. Some of my highlights: number 72, Ken's Artisan Pizza in Portland. Number 61, Tony Gemignani's Pizza Rock. Number 58, Al Santillo's Brick Oven Pizza in Elizabeth, New Jersey. Number 50, John Arena, Chris Decker, and Sam Ficini of Metro Pizza, Las Vegas. Number 45, Zuppardi's Apizza in West Haven, Connecticut. Number 38, L&B Spumoni Gardens in Brooklyn, New York. Number 30, Dom DeMarco's de Fara in Brooklyn, New York. Really? Only 30? Number 29, Tony's Pizza Napoletana, San Francisco. Number 28, Apizza Scholls, Portland, Oregon. Number 19, Lombardi's, New York. Number 16, Modern Apizza, New Haven, Connecticut. Number 50, Paulie G's, Brooklyn, New York. Number 14, Pizzeria Bianco, Phoenix. Go Chris. Number 11, one of my favorite, Walters, Smiling with Hope Pizza in Reno, Nevada. Congratulations. Number 9, Sally's Pizza in New Haven, Connecticut. Number 8, Lucali in Brooklyn, New York. And number 1, Frank Pepe's Pizza Napoletana, New Haven, Connecticut, which of course is well deserved, as are all the nominations. Missing from the list were some incredible pizzas, such as Anthony Mangieri's Una Pizza Napoletana in New York, Roberto Carparucio's Keste in New York, Jonathan Goldsmith's Spacca Napoli in Chicago, Chef Billy Monzo's Federal Hill Pizza Company in Providence. How about Derek and Joey at Mia Marco's Pizza in Selma, Texas, Jay Vogler's Pizza on Earth in Vermont, and not one pizza from the entire state of Hawaii. I would nominate Brickfire Tavern in Honolulu, authentic Neapolitan pizza, Jay Dolan's, also in Honolulu, and Garibaldi's mouth-pleasing Sicilian pizza. A newcomer, Agostino's Pizza Truck, which is in various locations, and of course, the Pizza Corner in Kapolei for their signature pokey pizza. I'm hoping all the editors of Daily Meal revert to their previous methodology next year. Please. Also, I want to give a shout out to Barb and Eric's Pizza Adventures. They've made a mission of attempting to sample all the pizzas on the 101 Best Pizza list. They are an inspirational couple of pizza fans. You can find them at 101pizzaplaces.com. They deserve special praise. And the best part of their site, they created their own individual lists of their own pizza ranking. All the best to you, Barb and Eric. You are both ultimate pizza fans. My hope is that you create your own favorite list of pizzerias. If not 101, at least a top 10. And after you created your list, you go and visit and order pizza. Let's support our local pizzerias, please. I'll post links to all resources at the bottom of this video. And if you're interested in pizza tools, please go to pizzatherapy.com/pizzatools. And if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.